Greetings Windows users, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common annoyance, when your downloads folder decides not to play nice. But fear not, we've got a step-by-step guide to help you get that folder back in tip-top shape on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's dive right in. Now for step 1, we need to access the Windows search bar. So to begin, click on the Windows search bar located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Or here. Step 2 is to open command prompt as admin. Now type cmd and this will open up command prompt. Right click on the command prompt result and select run as administrator. There we go. Now for step 3 is to run the dsm command. So in the command prompt, type dsm.exe/online /cleanup image /restore health and press enter. This command will help fix potential corruption issues. Now for step 4, we need to restart your computer. So close the command prompt and restart your computer to apply the changes and restart. Now for step 5, we need to open command prompt again and type sfc/scan now and hit enter. This will run the system file checker tool to repair any corrupted system files. And now for step 6, we need to access Windows settings. Now, click on the Windows icon located on the bottom left corner and then select Settings. For step 7, we need to navigate to Update and Security. Now inside Settings, choose the Update and Security option. Now for step 8, we need to open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot in the left panel. Now for step 9, access additional troubleshooters. Now click on the additional troubleshooters link on the right side. Now for step 10, we need to run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Scroll down and locate the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Click on it and run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Then run the troubleshooter. And that's how you tackle a downloads folder that's gone AWOL on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this guide helped you out, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let us know in the comments below if there are any other Windows headaches that you'd like us to assist with. Until next time, keep your system running smoothly and stay tech savvy.